like something else, didn't it? All right.
It did. Gig, which is one of the most popular cards on. Yeah, is a 1063 gig from Sheen and actually a good buy? Actually, I am struggling. All right, and actually performs well. It's very interesting to see that these are actually being sold on. Okay, I don't know where I'm going with that. Let's dial it way back. Let's dial it way back. Okay. But all those specs I told you would be for a 1063 gig if it was.
McAllister's watching, just like, what's happening?
I don't know, I'm having a moment. All right, while I'm talking.
Okay.
So they can see everything.
Oh, Zach's. Oh my God, he sent me something graphic.
Oh God.
Ugh. No, Zach and McAllister are not here. All right, we might be getting
Server error. Oh my God.
Wait, are you not signed in now?
I am signed in. What was it?
Chameleon, what do you mean?
What Reddit was it?
Build a PC sales, which is weird. Oh, maybe it's just this freaking seller on there.
He's cooking. It's Goodwill. Goodwill. We bought an alien from Goodwill.
That can be taken a lot of different ways.
It can be. We got a working laptop. Well, I'm not really sure. Actually, no, I don't like how I said that. All right.
Keep it quick and tight.
I'm gonna redo that, quick and tight. We paid 250 laptops. We paid 250 laptops.
Jonah, bloopers. Is there some fish eggs in this? It smells like it here. Ooh. We have the smallest cocks in town.
That's on camera.
You're the smallest cocks in town.
Smallest cocks in town, come around. Jonah, I think it's your stimming today.
I'm falling apart, man.
Yeah, we're just trying to fill the void.
Like, I'm not touching the table right now. It's still kind of shaking, but you just barely touch it. Oh! Yeah, so I don't know what this sounds like. I bet it sounds atrocious. So
Get in the microphone.
Hello? There's the microphone. See, it's right there. What feature? That's what McAllister's used.
All right, let's play Roblox. Train blanket, choo-choo.
Do you want a high-end gaming laptop, but you don't want to spend all that bread?
What we have right here is it's really not even a.
Is it not high-end?
I mean,
Well, I meant like back in the day, though. This was like a $3,000 laptop, right? What the fuck am I thinking of? I swear I just edited the trailer description. Like
it does have a 4K screen and everything, but
that is the one. So wait, what was the pitch you were saying?
A Razer laptop or gaming laptop, but don't want to spend the money. This is Razer's cheapest option, blah, 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 something like that.
I almost want to make it more broad than that.
You could, you could do a, do you want a Razer gaming laptop that's not meant to game? That could throw them off.
How about this? How about it looks high-end? Do you want the opposite of a sleeper? It looks high-end, but it ain't. Ooh, I got it.
All right,
I got it.
All right, here we go.
Oh, it's one of these moments where I think I know what I want to say, but I'm like, it's gonna come out really stupid.
This whole thing's gonna be
I basically want to say this laptop is a mullet. Gaming in the front, business in the back.
I kind of like it.
Yeah.
And then McAllister, when I slap this on the table, give us mullets.
All of us mullets.
Everyone gets mullets, McAllister.
All right.
He's gonna hate this so much.
All right.
Select the accessibility icon.
Honey, dear, stop it.
No, wait, no, just go. Shh, sweet dear. Shh. You gotta take him to the beat down room. Or the beat it off room. What?
See, you probably wouldn't expect him back because he seems pretty tame, but if you play games with him, it's scary.
Well, no, I can tell when he's here, he's holding back. Like when
Yeah.
we're doing the streams, I know he's really holding back.
Like
his
he literally
rage.
screams.
How, like on a scale of 1 to 10, how mad do you get when we're playing Rocket League in there?
That's a good like 8.
My favorite with Rocket League was I feel like you went into it thinking like, man, I'm gonna clap these guys.
Oh yeah, like I'm gonna tear it up on stream. I'm gonna literally show off, and then I get completely lost. Like. Okay. Someone needs to move.
we both move.
Someone needs to move.
What's wrong with it?
See how half of it's off the. It doesn't really matter, but.
See, I think it has to be the camera because it's straight on this.
Is
you mean
that?
that?
Yeah, like centering.
Wait, you ready?
Bring it over to me.
All right, you ready?
There works.
Dude, it always works. Just watch.
He's clearly.
Okay, hold on.
I see.
All right, you ready?
I see his hands moving. There's.
Very close.
It's very close.
Very close.
It's scientific. Jonah, your head's just, it's all wonky. It's the anime. It eats the brain.
All right.
What if, hear me out,
Okay.
what if AMD has been sus recently, and you got like you got
Among Oh my god, and then it's like, dude, and then no, you know what's even funnier? I could throw in the costume after this and just have like just in the middle, just pop up real quick. Hey, Zach, you wanna see me get a wreck?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's a record. He's going Joe's mode.
The sus one's kind of cool. All right, so AMD's been kind of gay lately. AMD's been kind of sus lately.
Okay, get him out of here.
Yeah, dude,
get him out of here.
Now I'm getting too much.
It's getting way
I'm getting
too goofy.
overstimmied. And now I'm not.
AMD has a new processor.
Yeah. What if we do all this and we just settle? The new 5600X3D is out. All right,
Buy it now.
all right. I'm gonna run with. All right.
All right, he's gonna get sus. But should you consider this CPU? I just didn't.
Oh my god. Me trying to catch it and I hit it harder. What happened to your hand?
I just turned around and slipped, and I like that it was falling, and then it like.
I was trying to catch it. All right.
The
Where were we
direction of
even
this
at with
video,
that?
I don't even know anymore.
I got it down.
You got it down pat. All right. 3, 2, 1. We bought a gaming PC from Target, and we also bought a mat from Target.
Hi, I'm Matt, and this is a Target PC. So we're gonna unbox it, but first, a word from today's sponsor.
Let's go.
I really thought you were about to do it again, Jonah.
Hi.
Don't worry, guys. I found the real Matt. I thought you were gonna say something.
All right, do it again. I can
all
say
right,
something.
All right. You're gonna keep me out. All right. Don't worry, guys. I found the real Matt.
Yeah, the real Mac comes from Walmart, not Target.
All right.
And together, we made a gaming PC for only $900. That'll get you into the DDR5 platform. Is it worth building, though? That's the real question. Actually, I hate how I said that. Pinky Tech, you said one take and it threw me off. 7600 CPU, and together we built a $900 gaming PC with them. Will it be good? Why are they like this?
How much?
You
guys at home.
You guys at home, how's it
McAllister.
going? Love the internals. Brett, kill this guy. Don't. I hate this fucking guy. All right.
I got an intro.
Get hit me with the power. You know, I would just wing it. I was fine when to slam it on the table.
All right. I'm gonna need you guys when I say a code word. I need you to moo, both of you. Okay.
We're gonna moo.
Yes. You guys ready? All right, here we go. We move for Temu, and today
We move for Temu. Temu makes him calm.
we come for Temu. All right, so I'm gonna say we move for Temu, and then we all moo, and then Matt says we have keyboards, something like that. Something like that.
The flow is there.
I want to be really stupid.
Making pancakes, making bacon pancakes.
Making
All right, get up on him, boy.
Making
Keyboard
pancakes.
setup.
Hold please, hold please, hold please, hold please.
Let him loaf. He's framing. He's
When
framing.
you cook.
He's got some meaty claws.
Big meaty claws. Let's see how it looks.
Jonah's like fully right now.
Oh, I thought you were like, you're actually looking at his pee-pee.